Yes guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be making a hair treatment that's really popular in Jamaica. So this is what I'll be using. Just cut the gel from the aloe vera. So guys, when you're using the avocado, it must be a ripe one so that you can get all the softness, the juices, the oil extracted from the avocado. You don't have to use an entire avocado like I did, because I wanted mine to be a little more conditioner, but you can use half depending on the size of your avocado or the length of your hair. But I just used up all my avocado because I didn't want to left any over, so I just used up everything. Okay, so for the beer, I use Red Stripe Jamaican beer. You can use whatever beer you like depending on where your location is and what you have available. But you don't have to use beer if you don't want, but we use beer here in some of our hair treatments. This is like a country remedy, but you have to leave the beer open for a couple hours. I left mine overnight open. This is how my hair looks after taking down my braids. As you can see, it's a bit flaky. So I'm going to shampoo my hair and come back and show you how I apply my treatments. Okay guys, so I just finished shampooing my hair, and as you can see my hair is really dry and look really thirsty. So I'm gonna add my conditioner now, and this is the consistency of my conditioner. Really creamy but on the runnier side. You can make yours thicker than this, but this is okay for me. So I'm just going to add this to my hair now. So what you can do now is to cover your hair with a plastic cap or shower cap and sit under a hooded dryer for 25 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. But because I do not have a hooded dryer, this is what I'm going to use: a plastic bag. So just gonna Okay guys, so this is the final result after shampooing my hair and steaming my hair with the avocado mix. I tried to comb out my hair and it was really, I saw a lot of hair coming out in my comb, but after I use this deep conditioner, my hair feels really detangled, easy to comb out. As you can see, the comb is just running through it. One thing I would say though, make sure you whip the mix really well, because some little tiny chunks from the aloe vera will definitely come out in your hair. My hair feels detangled, it feels clean, it feels soft. Comment down below and tell me if you ever tried this before, or if you know anyone who have ever tried this remedy before, and let me know. And please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos.